By the end of this video, you will know how to add parallax scrolling to a Wix website. Start by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are in, go to the website you want to update and open that site from your dashboard. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward so you apply the effect in the right place. With the site open, click Design Site or Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Wix can show slightly different labels depending on the view you are in, but either option will take you into the editing workspace. Give the editor a moment to load if needed, then stay on the page where you want the scrolling effect to appear. Next, select the element that will use the parallax effect. This can be a section background or an image, depending on how your page is built. Click directly on the background area or on the image itself so Wix shows the controls for that specific element. It helps to confirm that the correct element is selected before you open any settings, especially if your page has overlapping sections or layered content. After that, open the scroll-related settings for the selected element. Look for animation or scroll settings depending on what you clicked. Once that panel is open, expand the scroll section if it is collapsed. The exact layout can vary a little between backgrounds and images, but the goal is the same, which is to reach the available scroll effects for that element. When you are in the scroll section, choose Parallax from the available effects. As soon as you select it, Wix applies the effect to that background or image. If Wix shows extra controls, such as intensity or direction, adjust those options to get the movement you want. Some elements may offer more settings than others, so if you do not see those controls, just use the default parallax option that is available. Once the effect is turned on, click Preview. This opens a view of your site where you can scroll through the page and watch the parallax effect in motion. Move through the section naturally so you can check how the background or image shifts during scrolling. If the effect does not look right, return to the editor and review the selected element and its scroll settings before publishing. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish. This makes the parallax scrolling effect live on your Wix website so visitors can see it on the published version of the page. If Wix asks you to confirm the update, go ahead and complete the publish action. Your Wix website now has a live parallax scrolling effect applied to the selected background or image.